Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Memory for Agents. Beyond Vector Databases. Imagine talking to someone who forgets everything you said a minute ago. Annoying, right? That's often how AI works. Today, we'll learn how to give AI agents a brain so they can remember, learn, and be truly useful. We'll go beyond basic memory solutions to explore how AI can develop a deeper understanding of past interactions. When you interact with AI models like ChatGPT, each new prompt you send is often treated almost like a brand new conversation. The AI doesn't inherently remember past interactions. It's like a goldfish. It just processes the current moment. This is because large language models, LLMs, are stateless. They don't maintain a continuous, ongoing memory of all past interactions by default. As a developer, this means your AI agent needs help to keep context. A common and popular way to give AI memory is using something called a vector database. VDB. Think of it like a super smart librarian. When your AI agent has a new experience or learns a new fact, like the user likes coffee, it converts that information into a special numerical code, a vector. The VDB stores these codes. Later, when the AI needs to recall something, it searches for similar codes, pulling out relevant past information to help it answer. From a developer's standpoint, you'd embed your knowledge or chat history into the VDB and retrieve it based on user queries. VDBs are fantastic for finding factual information or similar past events. But human memory is much more complex. We don't just remember facts. We remember how things felt, why something happened, or a sequence of events that led to a goal. A VDB is like a fantastic index of facts and similar items. But it doesn't automatically give the AI a narrative or an understanding of evolving relationships, goals, and plans. It's like having a library of facts, but no personal diary or strategic planner. To make AI truly intelligent and adaptable, we need different kinds of memory. Just like us, as developers, we can implement 1. Short-term memory, context window. This is like our immediate working memory, what we're thinking about right now. For AI, it's the limited space where the current conversation and a few recent facts are held. It's fast but temporary, often handled by sending recent chat history directly to the LLM. 2. Long-term memory, hybrid systems. This is where the AI stores knowledge for extended periods. It can combine VDBs for facts and efficient retrieval with other data structures to store more complex information like user preferences, agent goals, and evolving plans. Think of it as combining a factual encyclopedia with a personal journal and a project management tool. For building powerful AI agents, developers are exploring and implementing advanced memory concepts. Hierarchical memory, organizing information like folders and subfolders on your computer, from general categories to specific details. This helps the AI quickly zoom into what's relevant without sifting through everything. Episodic memory, remembering specific events or experiences, including the context and sequence. E.g., I learned this preference from user X during our conversation about trip planning last Tuesday. Semantic memory, remembering general knowledge and concepts. E.g., dogs are mammals or Java is a programming language. Procedural memory, remembering how to do things, like a recipe or a sequence of steps for a complex task. By combining these, you can build an AI that truly understands and acts. Understanding these diverse memory concepts is crucial for you as a developer. By implementing sophisticated memory systems, you can build AI agents that are more personal. They remember user preferences and past interactions over time. More consistent. They don't contradict themselves or forget prior agreements. More capable. They can carry out complex, multi-step tasks that evolve over long periods. More human-like. They learn and grow with each interaction, making them truly useful assistants and partners. This is how we move beyond simple chatbots to truly intelligent, adaptive agents. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.